As we look back, there were a lot of great moments caught on our microphones this year, whether it came from players celebrating big plays, fans in the stands, or moments during our Game of the Week interviews. Take a listen to our Sounds of the Season.
Ice cream's pretty good, milkshakes, but you know, candy, I'm a big boy.
I can do a backflip off my diving board and cool.
I need water! I need water!
A blue suede
I was only doing it
because I was doing it. Well, that's good. Peer pressure is good.
Pressure.
That's how big was that defensive stop there at the end?
It was the biggest play of the game. We just had to.
I'm gonna free. I can't do this.
That's okay, that's right.
Beat her to 11, Maestro.
That's a winner for the Hollidaysburg Tigers. Best hair in the game. Right. Martelaki. Go ahead and celebrate, guys! Oh my, we were getting hyped, bro. Wu-Tang, we were getting hyped. What's good, Tracy? What's good, besties? Freaking amazing!
It's been great. Our kids love it. Tammy loves it.
You're watching Sportsbeat on WTAJ. You're watching Sportsbeat on WTAJ.
You're watching Sportsbeat on WTAJ.